Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today, what we're going to work on a nice jump rope skill called the swing kick. This is a good alternative from the basic bounce, from running in place, from the boxer skip. Pretty much, I'm gonna do it without the rope. Pretty much, the swing kick is pretty much this. All right, so it's a bounce and a kick. So I'm coming here, and when I jump, when I hop, I'm kicking forward with this foot. So I'm coming here, it's a hop, kick. So the hop and the kick is almost the same time. So it's almost like kick. So every time I hop, I'm kicking forward. All right, hop, kick, and the hop and the kick at the same time. So to do this, everything is all about rhythm. If you don't have the best rhythm, that's okay. You don't need to be an expert or professional. All you have to do is have some consistency, some patience, and I'm telling you, you're going to get it. So now it's time to do it with the rope. The swing kick is a really cool skill to do. If you just tired of always doing the basic bounce or the boxer skip, just do alternating different kind of leg alternative drills. It really helps. So here go the swing kick. It's just like this. And what you can do is, if you still having troubles trying to do it on one leg. Do it on one leg. I promise you, just do it on one leg to try to get the feel for the rhythm. Get the feel for the rhythm. So always, if you want to not have a rope in your hand and just focus on the footwork, just tap beside yourself. And that could be like the fake rope. So pretty much it's like a rope, but you're tapping yourself to get that rhythm down. See that kick? It's called a kick swing. Every time I'm tapping, that's where the rope passed by my feet. And the main thing throughout all these drills, guys, you don't want to be flat foot on these drills. Don't be flat feet on these drills. All right, flat foot, flat feet, I'm messing all up on my grammar. So don't have any flat feet on when you're doing these drills. When you're doing these type of drills, just make sure you're on the balls of your feet, and you want to make sure that you're getting yourself a good kick. And like I said, if you still having troubles trying to kick, because when you come here, that's the hop, and then you hopping forward. Bam, kick, up, hop, and the hop is back, and then the hop is forward. All right, so literally it's this. Hop back, hop forward, next foot. So hop, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Every time I'm kicking my feet back, I'm hopping. As you can see, it's a hop. It's literally a two hop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So every time I'm hopping, I'm back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick. So it's a two hop. First hop is a back. Second hop is a forward. And then you alternate. Back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Let's give this one more shot. We're gonna do it with the rope. If you got your rope, join in and do it with me. So here we go. And I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do it in circles. So that way you can see that I'm on the balls of my feet, and I'm also keeping the rope beside my waist, and also I'm just keeping my posture straight. So it goes something like this. there you go. That is called the swing kick. Give that swing kick a shot. If you don't get it on the first time, don't get mad at yourself. Don't come down on yourself. Just remember, anytime you jump roping, it's always progress, and it's always going to take patience, discipline, and consistency to get to that unlock step. So when you unlock that skill, be proud of yourself. It's just a journey, and during this journey is a lot of progression. And you're gonna always learn new things, and it's always gonna be fun to do. So give that one a shot, the swing kick. Let me know how you like it, and let's go from there. With that being said, have a great day. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.